everyone, welcome to Sundog's Tech Tip Tuesday. Today we'll be talking about the password lock feature on all your important Microsoft documents. Let's get learning. Alright, so why would we lock an Excel file? There really is three key reasons why we would do so. One is we want to keep employees who do not have authority to access or edit a document. Two, it's to prevent accidents. We may want someone to view the document but not actually edit it. Three, it's an extra security precaution, so if it lands in the wrong hands, we'll definitely be protected. So we're going to go into our super top secret Sundog document. Not actually, because we all know that we rank 10 out of 10 on all these categories. I mean, come on guys, we're Sundog. So go into File, go into Save As, and we find the right place for it. So right here I have Sundog Tips. We're going to go into Tools, General Options, and we're prompted with a security question. So there's two security passwords here. One's going to be to view the document, and the other is going to be to modify it. So these either can be different passwords or they can be the same password. It's totally up to you. For this purpose, I'm going to use Sundog is cool for the first one, and I'll just do the second one. Same thing, Sundog is cool, because we already know that we're cool. Let's go into OK, and then it wants us to re-enter the password. Press OK, press OK again. These are just making sure, they're double checking to make sure that you know the password that you created. So you go into Save here. I saved it, so I'm going to go ahead and exit out. And then I will go ahead and go back into the document. And we see this ask me for a password. So without this password, I can't get in, I can't see any of the data, so we'll go ahead and enter it in here real quick. And then the second one is asking me for a password to actually manipulate or use the data or, write whatever I want in there. Without it, I can only actually view the document. So now that I answered both, go in here and I can type in whatever I want. So if I didn't have those passwords, I wouldn't be able to get in here, and that's one security measure on how to lock your Excel file. So the reason we do this is it's a simple step that can be done to really just increase your security measures and keep everything locked up and only available to who needs to see it. So that's locking your Excel file. Thank you guys for joining. We hope to see you guys next time. Do us a huge favor. If you're enjoying our Sundog Tech Tip Tuesdays, give us a like and then hit that subscribe button. Thanks guys, we'll see you again next time.